Now, I am just exhausted. All I did was sweep off the front porch because I changed my disintegrating mat, which I really like the looks of, uh, for a rubberized one, which I'm not as crazy about, but it will certainly last longer. But the humidity has finally hit this afternoon, and yeah, it was, yeah, I'm just whipped. I can't stand it. Just that little bit of activity. Now, mind you, I think I must have walked a couple of miles just in Walmart today doing shopping, so I guess it all adds up. Anyways, not recommended going out at 3 o'clock in the afternoon sweeping up your front porch. So here we are again. It's first day of summer. Happy summer. And yeah, we're starting off the way we usually start off our summer. So anyways, take care. Just a short video to wind. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.